Can you take care of her? Oh, maybe you can spare her several moments of your consideration, leading up to the final destination. Oh, the earth is calling out. I wanna learn what it's all about, but everything I read's global warming, going green. I don't know what all this means, but it seems to be saying, wake up, America, we're all in this together. It's our home, so let's take care of it. You know that you want to, you know that you got to. Wake up, America, tomorrow becomes a new day, and everything you do matters. Yeah, everything you do matters in some way. Stand up, I'll try if you will. Wake up, it's not a fire drill. All she needs is a little attention. Can you give her just a little attention? Oh, it's easy to look away, but it's getting harder day by day. Everything I read's global warming, going green. I don't know what all this means, but it seems to be saying, come on, wake up, America, we're all in this together. It's our home, so let's take care of it. You know that you want to, you know that you got to. Wake up, America, tomorrow becomes a new day, and everything you do matters. Yeah, everything you do matters in some way. I know that you don't want to hear it, especially coming from someone so young. But in the backseat, yeah, they
The reason we stopped all day during these everyday activities is because it was raining outside that day. These normal activities that involve water use on a rainy day add extra thousands of gallons of water to the sewer system that already is being filled with rainwater. If this happens, it can cause sewage overflows and backups into basements. Again, do you want poop in your basement? I don't think so. Please take this into consideration and be aware of your water usage during rain events. From Learn and Serve, we thank you.